Good morning. It is Monday, March 30th, and the ASX is staring down the final 48 hours of what has been a grisly month. We are officially in the waiting room. President Trump has kicked the Iran deadline to April 6th, but don't call this a peace rally. Wall Street just closed its fifth straight losing week, and our futures are screaming red, down 0.77% this morning. The market is realizing that a 10-day extension isn't a solution. It's just 10 more days of $110 oil and supply chain paralysis. I'm Jay, and this is your Morning Bell. Why is the US bleeding? Look no further than Nate Swanson's latest deep dive, 10 lessons from the first month. Swanson, the former NSC director for Iran, argues we are in the world's first infrastructure war. He notes that while the US can bomb a plant, it cannot unsink a ship in a 21-mile-wide strait. This is why Brent crude is sticky at $112. Wall Street is terrified that the 10-day stay of execution is just giving Iran time to move more mobile missile batteries. The Nasdaq is now in official correction territory, 10%, and the tech-heavy lead is going to weigh heavy on our local growth names today. But here is my free idea for the week, the lithium pivot. While the index is red, the battery sector is holding a secret green bid. With diesel at $3/barrel and the government giving away free public transport in Victoria and Tasmania to save fuel, we are seeing a structural shift. EV sales in Australia just hit 12% market share. Pilbara and Liontown aren't green plays anymore. They are fuel independence hedges. If you can't afford the Bowser, you buy a battery. Watch for lithium to decouple from the broader market dump today. Here is my pick of 3 ASX movers for today. Mover 1, Drone Shield. The war premium is evaporating. DRO tanked 13% to 390 on Friday as the 10-day extension removed the immediate missile fear. It's a classic buy the rumor, sell the pause scenario. Expect more volatility as traders realize the fast money has moved on. Mover 2, Electro-Optic Systems, down 10.7% and facing a double whammy. Not only is the war on pause, but EOS was just dumped from the S&P ASX Emerging Companies Index. Factor in the recent CEO share sell-off, and you have a sentiment crisis. Watch the $8.40 support floor. Mover 3, Woodside Energy, the only green light. With Brent crude at $1 to Woodside is the ultimate stagflation bunker. If the index drops 60 points, WDS will likely be the only thing keeping us from a total washout. Watch for a test of $35.50. Technicals for the open, we are gapping down to test the 8,500 support. If we break that, the next stop is the 12-day low at 8,460. My prediction? Today is a value rotation day. The market is super volatile, and it seems dumping high beta defense and tech, and hiding in high-yield energy and lithium at the moment. Don't catch the falling knife in tech. Look for the sectors that benefit from high energy prices. Follow Oz Stockwatch for the data the mainstream media misses. Trade smart.